Hello ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about sun placement in different houses from first house to 12th house. Few weeks back I make 2-3 videos about placement of the planet. About Moon and Jupiter I already make, and today I am going to make sun placement in different houses from first house to 12th house. Sun is a Atma Karak planet. Sun is a king of all planets, and sun placement is very valuable for every person. If you have a good sun, if you have a strong sun in your birth chart, you are blessed with a long age of your father, you are blessed with the kids, you are blessed with a self-respect, you are blessed with a government job, you will get name, fame, prosperity, you will have a good relationship with your father, you have a long age of your father, you have a good tie-up with your father. Your father and your relationship will be ultimate, and you will get a lot of inheritance, you will get a lot of prosperity, and you will get source of earning in your throughout life if sun is well placed in your birth chart. Today I am going to talk about sun placement from first house to 12th house, and let's talk about sun placement in first house. If you have a sun in first house, believe me, you are very fortunate in the terms of good health, in the terms of self-respect, in the terms of relationship between you and your father. You are blessed with the kids. Your kids will give you a lot of happiness, and you respect your father, and your kids will respect you. You will earn a lot of good name, fame, and self-respect in your society if sun plays in first house. You may involve in any type of government related work, and you will have a very good contacts with higher authority. If you have a sun in first house, lot of negative yogs on birth chart will automatically vanish, because this is one of the ultimate position of the sun. In Kalpurush Kundli, first house is a very promising for sun, because sun is very comfortable here. If you have a sun in first house, you are blessed man, you enjoy good health, you enjoy good positive energy, your surrounding is very positive, and you enjoy a lot of comforts about health. You will enjoy a lot of mental peace, you will enjoy a lot of good health throughout life if sun is in first house. Now I am going to talk about sun placement in second house. If you have a sun in second house, you are very good in savings, you are very good in cash in hand, your family is a very large family, you are living in very large family. If any natural malefic planet is not aspecting on sun or not in conjunction with sun, if sun is alone in second house, you will enjoy a very good relationship with your family. If any natural malefic planet like Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, if aspecting on sun or conjunction with sun, you are living far away from your father, you are living far away from your family or birth land. Second house sun will give you a lot of good tie-ups if no any aspect of any natural malefic planet. Now I am going to talk about sun placement in third house, which is very good in Upchaya Bhav. Those native who have a sun in third house, they will enjoy a lot. They start on business, and they will blessed with a very good profit throughout life. They have a great willpower, they have a strong confidence, they are very good relationship with younger siblings, they have a large circle of friends, and they will earn a lot of money in business. They will earn a lot of name, fame, and respect in on business. They enjoy a lot of comforts in throughout life. If sun is in third house, that type of native know how to deal with others, how to give profit to others, and they will get profit automatically from God's side. If you have a third house placement of sun, this is one of the ultimate placement to start your own business. You will respect a lot of your father, because sun aspect is on 7th aspect is on your 9th house. You are very fortunate man. Divine grace will always help you. Now I am going to talk about if you have a sun in 4th house. This is also very well placement of the sun in 4th house. You will blessed with a long age of your mother, and relationship with your mother will be ultimate. You have your mother blessings is like a paras money for you. You will blessed with a great relationship with your mother, and you have a great mental peace. You have a hidden savings. 4th house, you have a lot of properties, and you always find to change a vehicle. You love your cars, you love your status, you love your birth land. That type of native will always near to your family, always near to living a birth land, and they success a lot throughout life. Now I'm going to talk about sun placement in 5th house. 5th house is a house of past life. 5th house is a house of your atma, your soul. If sun plays in 5th house, sun is very comfortable in 5th house. You will enjoy lot of good financial tie-ups, and you are always hear your soul voice. That type of native is very near to our soul. If sun is in 5th house, they are very calculative. Their good fortune always is in your side, because 5th house is a house of trikona bhav. If sun is in 5th house, that type of native will blessed with kids, male kids, and they have a great relationship with our father and as well as our kids. If sun is in 5th house, will give you lot of financial gains throughout life, and you will enjoy lot of comforts and materialistic gains. Now I'm going to talk about sun placement in 6th house. If you have a sun in 6th house, this is also very well placement of the sun. You will enjoy lot of good gains, lot of good respect. You never under debts throughout life. You don't have any big disease throughout life. You will enjoy a good health. You enjoy a good source of earning through job. That type of native who have a sun in 6th house, they mainly involve in job. That type of native will earn a lot of name, fame, prosperity in job. Business is not suitable for those type of native who have a sun in 6th house. But I saw a lot of birth chart. If sun is not receiving any natural malefic planet aspect in 6th house, they may involve in any type of government related business. They may become a government contractor, or any type of government related business will always give a fruitful result if you have a sun in 6th house. You will enjoy very good savings, you will enjoy very good health and wealth throughout life. Now I'm going to talk about sun placement in 7th house. This is not a well placement of sun. Sun is not comfortable in 7th house. If you have a sun in 7th house, you will definitely involve in 2 marriages. You are never satisfied in your marriage, even first marriage and second marriage. You never satisfied in your personal relationship if sun is in 7th house. This is one of the worst position of the sun. You will be suffered throughout life in the terms of marriage as well as professional life. Your source of earning will be affected. You will struggle. You will face a lot of struggle in life. You never happy and never satisfied in the terms of love life. Your spouse and your relationship is not work, and you are always suffered in the terms of relationship. If you have a sun in 7th house, must consult with nearest astrologer. He will guide you and he will give you some small remedies. If you perform that remedy, you will surely blessed with a happy marriage life and good source of earning. Now I'm going to talk about sun placement in 8th house. If you have a sun in 8th house, you are very fortunate for others. You have a long age, your father has a long age, you will enjoy a lot of benefits throughout life, and that native who knows how to save the money, and that native are always settled in foreign land, and they earn lot of good name, fame and money in foreign land. 8th house sun is one of the good placement related to your knowledge, related to your research, related to your any type of spiritual work. Now I'm going to talk about sun in 9th house. If you have a sun in 9th house, this is one of the ultimate position of sun in 9th house. You will enjoy good fortune throughout life. You have a strong relationship with your father. You will get a lot of inheritance, name, fame, prosperity. Good fortune is always smiling for you. You always follow your moral values and you always follow your religion. Those native who have a sun in 9th house, they have a long age of their father. They have a good tie-up with their father. They have a strong foundation with their father, and they are blessed with the inheritance. Good fortune always smile for you, because 9th house is a house of Jupiter in Kal Purush chart. So Jupiter and sun is a great friend. Sun is a king of planets and Jupiter is one of the biggest advisor for sun. And sometimes sun change our decision after taking a right advice from Jupiter. So sun is very comfortable in 9th house. Now I'm going to talk about sun placed in 10th house. If you have a sun placement in 10th house, sun is not comfortable here, but you will get government job. You will become a good politician. You will get name, fame. If you are doing any type of government job, or if you are doing any type of business linked with government, you will get a lot of prosperity. You are very hard worker. You will achieve lot of milestone after your hard work in your business. You will earn lot of money. You will earn lot of name, fame, prosperity. You have a long age of your father. You will get lot of success in life. If 10th house sun, you must try to be a politic, become a good politician. You have the ability to become a good politician. Sun is placement in 10th house. That type of native, they are very ambitious, and they are trying to fulfill our ambition at any cost with our hard work. So one of the best placement in 10th house in Sun, those native who are willing to start any type of government business or any type of government job or any type of you can say any type of source of earning which is linked with government. You may become a politician, you may become a businessman, contractor, or any type of money came from the government side. You will blessed with a good earning, you will blessed with a good name, fame, prosperity. Now I'm going to talk about Sun placed in 11th house. This is again one of the best placement of the Sun. You will have a large circle of friends, but you are very self-centered, you are very calculative, you know how to earn money, you know how to multiply your money. 11th house Sun, you are very creative, you are very religion, and you are very near to your you can say soul, or you are very near to your religion. You follow your religion and moral values. This is one of the ultimate placement of the Sun. You have a good contacts with higher authority. You will get name, fame, prosperity throughout your life. 11th house Sun will give you lot of benefits, financial tie-ups, good health, wealth. If Sun placed in your 12th house, this is again one of the ultimate position of the Sun. That type of native, I seen lot of birth chart. If Sun is in 12th house, they're living far away from birth land. If Sun is 12th house, they will get name, fame, prosperity from far away place from our birth land. 12th house Sun, you will easily get PR or work permit in foreign land. You will earn lot of money in job in foreign land. If you start any type of business in your birth land, you will definitely suffer with lot of losses. So don't try to start any business living at your birth land. If you want to start any type of business, then you go far away from your birth land. You will get name, fame, prosperity, success, lot of money. If you have a 12th house Sun, if you settle in foreign land, you will get everything very easily. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.